welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest with me today. You want to introduce yourself?
Hello, it's Melysa, Jenny's
bestest friend in the whole wide world.
Yeah, I've been seeing this trend around that a lot of girls want to do like the ABG transformation. So we're gonna test that out today because she's like a living proof of an ABG. I told her to wear a t-shirt because she needs to tone down her ABG.
Wow!
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Swipe! That's what we're starting with. Yeah. Makeup, and then I did buy some stuff. Fake nails, because I don't got any fake nails. But look, see? ABG. Show it off.
Was that too much?
Right there, ABG.
Should I have not done that?
No, I slipped off your camera.
Yeah, guys. That doesn't mean you are an ABG, okay?
No, but first step. Fake tattoos, because I don't got any, but I do. And the definition of an ABG. Go ahead and just put it up on our heads right there. What an ABG
I don't
is.
drink alcohol. I'm allergic.
That doesn't mean you don't drink it.
ABGs
tell
drink Hennessy.
What do you drink?
What do you drink? Tell them.
I don't drink, okay?
There was a time where I was pouring her a drink of Henny, and you know what she said to me? She's like, I don't drink the normal one, I drink only Proof. She's a bougie ABG, but I think all ABGs are pretty bougie, right?
Sad. You're like a grandma ABG.
The fuck? Do you need this mirror?
I have
this mirror. I made that, guys. Just made that.
Cute. Go watch her DIY video. So I'm starting with primer.
Oh, I don't have my moisturizer. Talk to them.
Why? I'm just kidding. I'm more of a hype face. I don't dress like an ABG. An ABG wears short shorts with like a crop top.
Can you please stand up? Okay, I'm just
She's
gonna
such
put
a hater.
We hate. That's how we are. Put on moisturizer. I'm using Neutrogena.
I'm putting on foundation already.
She needs to start because she takes forever to do her
forever.
makeup.
I take like, if I really want it to be perfect, it takes like 2 hours.
I mean, you gotta hide that ugliness. She went to go buy boba, guys, because
they drink boba. I use a milk. It has Kush in it.
Cushion?
Kush, like.
What is Kush?
Weed. I like it.
This brand milk.
Milk makeup. You know what? You should have done this video with your sister. She is an ABG.
My sister's not here.
But I think she is more ABG than I am. Have you taken that one test to see like how much % you're like ABG you are?
There's a test? After this, we'll take a test and we'll see who's more ABG.
I got like 60-something %.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm putting on concealer. I'm using NARS. I don't know what ABG makeup looks like. Should we look it up?
Sure. I don't know. Intense makeup. Sorry, we're quiet, guys.
I gotta concentrate on this.
So I'm done with my brows. Kind of did it a little bit more like arc. You gotta look like you have a resting face, you know? I mean, I kind of do. I don't want to go to the next step because this girl is still on her brows.
I just finished.
So I usually do my eyes next.
I do too.
Okay.
My MAC Painterly paint pot.
I'm gonna use my Urban Decay.
I used to use it all the time.
But I don't like this applicator.
Yeah, do a colored one and I'll just do like a natural.
The heck?
I've never seen you with color.
I know. I think this is the palette with color.
I have color.
Show them.
We could switch.
Come on, guys. This is us. Friend here does makeup a lot better than I do. Don't judge me. Yeah, we got some purple on the brush. I'll make myself look like I got punched in the face.
Like you have a black eye.
Oh my god.
That's perfect.
What are you doing? Neutral?
Yeah.
What kind of look are you going for? Like a day ABG or like a night ABG? Have you heard of Glamnetics before?
It's like a magnetic eyelash.
There's 3 different kinds that I got. I'll show you later. I'm testing out for the first time. They said that it's really easy to put on, and you know when you cry and stuff like that, it stays. So I'm like, okay, let me just try it.
So that's what you were waiting for?
All day today was honestly the tattoo and the nails. You can't be an ABG without tattoos, right? So I had to.
I mean, again.
Aren't you the one with like 3?
It's not like I have a sleeve or anything. Anything you're the which I know.
Oh,
True.
She says that, but I haven't
Ask
called
her
her
friends, it's
anything.
She may look innocent and nice on YouTube, but she's actually a tea. Yeah.
And I feel like I am nice.
You are?
Until
someone's I'm just kidding.
someone's an ish about it.
It looks nice.
You're a liar.
No, I'm just kidding. It looks ugly.
Who's innocent looking
The
but
way-
not?
No, really though, the way you blended it looks nice.
Oh, thanks. Well, guys, she's single.
Oh hell no.
Her socials are down below in the bio.
Are you really gonna put my socials? You can put my Instagram. Yeah. Look at my eyeshadow.
Bruh.
I'm putting my second layer of concealer.
That was your third.
No.
I thought you did it earlier.
I did it earlier. I did my foundation, then the NARS concealer.
I'm using Shape Tape.
Yeah, we use the same one. What color are you? Light sand.
16N.
Fairly. I'm light sand.
How do you put on your concealer? I put it like I'm in a tribe.
Like your what?
I'm in a tribe.
I did too.
Did you?
Yeah,
Oh.
kinda.
When did you start playing with makeup? Like, how old were you?
I think I was probably like 21.
You started playing with makeup? You were 21?
Yeah, I never used to really wear makeup like that. I just put on eyeliner and mascara and that's it. I only wore makeup to like events. What about you, friend? When did you start playing with makeup?
I think when I was like probably a sophomore. Yeah, after I got out of a breakup, I started experimenting with makeup. But it wasn't like crazy. I didn't put like foundation or anything. It was just more like eyeliner.
Yeah, that was.
And not even on the top. The bottom.
Me too.
Only the
Yeah,
bottom.
because that was a trend back in the day.
Yeah, I used to be a tomboy. Did you know that?
I used to be a tomboy too. I don't even think I'm that girly, to be honest. You guys' style's like grandma.
I'm not grandma. I just like to be comfortable. Maybe that's what it is. She's like the whole vibes, you know?
Whoa! I wear oversized t-shirts.
You know the memes that about like hoes don't get cold?
Gee, I can't believe I'm doing this video with her. I'm so upset when she asked me that.
Okay, how about you are like the most ABG out of all of us?
Am I? There's not many girls in our group.
There isn't.
I guess. I'm only doing this for her. I wanted to do a mukbang.
You're bringing your inner ABG.
Inner ABG.
The inner ABG is coming out.
Who should I see?
We ain't seen no one.
I bought this brightening powder. It's like the best thing ever.
What is that?
Charlotte Tilbury. You should try it.
Okay. Did I lose my nose yet?
Did you contour your nose?
Yeah, that's why I've been sitting there doing it.
You gotta make it hella strong because you're about to be an ABG. Ew.
I'm gonna put on eyeliner first, my normal one, and then I'm gonna put on the Glamnetics because it's eyeliner that you put on, and then that's how the lashes stick. It sticks to the eyeliner.
You always gotta be quiet when you're doing your eyeliner and your eyebrows.
I'm using normal eyeliner first because I don't want to use so much of the Glamnetics eyeliner because that thing is expensive. Because I use a lot of eyeliner, I'm gonna use my normal one and then I'll put that one on.
I'm finally putting on blush.
Right now.
Yeah, right now. I'm gonna try the highlight. You should put some brand on your nose. Yeah, I use that for my nose in the inner corner.
These are the ones that I got. It's from Glamnetics. They're expensive, okay? So I wish they sponsored me in this video, but they did not. They're nice. If you're not used to lashes at all, they're pretty dang heavy. They have 6 different magnets on it. They are dramatic.
Wait, I have to let it dry for how long?
Just for a bit. I just put it on the other lashes and then I came back. They stick pretty dang well.
Girl.
Oh, they're so fluffy.
They are.
So now that we have our lashes on, I do like it.
These are pretty big. I don't normally go this big.
But I like the process of, you know, like
yeah, it's so much easier.
Right. I just want to see how long it lasts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But too bad we ain't going anywhere. I'm
What?
done.
Oh,
We're done.
Woo!
Done with our makeup. Mine looks hella dark in the view.
I think it's because my eyes are a lot smaller. Time for nails, guys. She already has her clicker clackers on. Go ahead, click them, clack them. You see my nails are kind of long, but they're not like cat claws. They're
Yeah,
not
like this.
Yeah, they're not claws yet, so we're gonna put some claws on. How do you do this? Clean and buff natural nail gently. Apply nail glue to the plastic tip. This is for my thumb. That's a good sauce for my thumb. Thumb. Index. We got one on. Friend, help me. Put on some glue for the other pieces.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just here watching her.
They don't click clack that much. What the heck? The clicky clackies are on here. Do you hear? Next step would be the tattoos. And by the way, the nails look really ratchet, but it's fine because it's just for the video because I didn't buff it down or anything either. Got some tattoos from Amazon and they're actually really cute.
I'm excited for this.
Okay,
You're about to put a sleeve on me.
Oh, she wanted this, but
yeah, because I have the moon, guys.
look how
love
pretty
the moon.
it is. This looks
That
really
looks
nice.
nice. I like that one.
Yeah.
Not these.
This one?
Either one of these.
Does that look too big?
It looks, yeah, for that area, it looks big.
Alright guys, we changed. How we looking? Do we look like ABGs?
I don't think so.
I still look like an innocent angel. These nails, I lost 3.
It didn't last very long.
Didn't last very long.
Don't recommend.
He's so cute.
Gotta like a towel.
Can't do sleeves now.
I know,
You
because
can tuck that in. Alright. She's getting her first tattoo, guys. I've never done tattoos before.
I'm done with you.
I'm an ABG and I do tats now. Like,
Wow, impressive. Yeah.
how does that look?
Oh my god.
I did good.
I'm so done.
Show them what your tattoo artist just did.
I don't want one here now.
It looks cool. This one right here. One to your neck? Like right here. That looks pretty dang sick though.
I know, it looks cute.
Yeah.
Now I'm like debating if I should get it off a sleeve.
It's going down my titties. Okay,
Whatever, we'll just go with it, you know?
Hey, I made yours look good.
I'm sorry if the placement is bad.
It looks funny.
It's so big, that's why, in the area.
Now you guys know
Don't
not
put
to
it.
hire friend as a tattoo artist.
Hey!
Hey! Does that look okay?
Yeah, that one looks good. Yeah.
Alright guys, we got our bobas. ABG's boba, so.
Were you trying to tongue pop right now?
No. You guys like my tattoos? That's all for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun to do. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for tattooing me. Even though it sucks, it's fine. Guys, this is just all jokes and fun though. It's not to like stereotype anyone. It was just, it's a trend. It's fun.
Don't take it personally.
Yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure to thumbs it up. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Whee!